A big step forward today for families who have been fighting for years to get Florida's so-called free kill law repealed. Late this afternoon, the state Senate passed a bill that would fully repeal this law, and it's already passed the House. So now there's just one more hurdle. Inside the Senate chambers, families whose loved ones died in Florida hospitals watched anxiously as senators made history.
This is a 35-year-old law. It needs to be repealed. It's unjust. It shouldn't be on the books.
The legislature, for the first time, passing a bill to repeal the so-called free kill law.
Much to our surprise, the bill came up. He said there were no amendments on the desk. He read the bill as a clean repeal, and it almost unanimously passed the Senate floor. And I would say our reaction is shock.
Shock because all previous efforts to get the law repealed have failed. It's a law Cindy Jenkins didn't know about until her 25-year-old daughter, Taylor, died.
If you lose your loved one to medical negligence in a Florida hospital and they are 25 or older, unmarried, and don't have children under 25, you have no recourse. Your right to the civil justice system is blocked.
Like Jenkins, Sabrina Davis has made countless trips to the state capitol since her father died in a Florida hospital due to medical negligence.
Today was history. Today we made history. I feel like we're one step closer to restoring the freedom that my dad fought for.
Thankful, but we don't want to have a premature celebration because we're not done. We want to see this successfully get signed off on, and I think then we'll really be able to celebrate.
The bill now heads to Governor Ron DeSantis' desk.
You know, I don't know what the governor will do. We are known as the free state of Florida. I hope he does the right thing.
Everybody that wants to see this 35-year-old unjust law truly finally repealed, they need to contact the governor and let him know.
These families know repealing this law won't bring justice for their own loved ones, but they're determined that no other family will be left without a voice.
This will not change anything for us. We will always be blocked out of the judicial system. We did this in honor of our loved ones, and so that everybody from July 1st on, if we can get this signed into law, will never meet this fate.
Now, depending on when this bill gets to the governor's desk, he will either have 7 or 14 days to sign it, to veto it, or to do nothing and then have it become law without his signature. If it does become law, it will take effect July 1st.